Good evening. Myself Chess Patel. I would like to enlighten on the topic. People have no right to conduct medical research on animal species. The use of animal in scientific research has long been the subject of heated debate, but I think that it is morally wrong to use animal for in this way for human benefits. There is no need to cause pain and suffering to animal when sophisticated computer system, mathematical models, human tissues and cell cultures, more focused clinical study can also show us what happened to our body during disease. People have different feelings for animals. Many looks upon an animal as a companion, while many looks upon an animal as a mean of advancing technical research and furthering experiment researches. Also, animals are exploited by cosmetics companies all across the country and all over the world. First, animal rights are violated when they are used in researches. Humans and animals are alike in many ways, like feel, behave, think, and experience pain. The animals are used in medical research are include mice, rats, rabbits, cat, dogs, guinea pigs, farm animals, etc. Frogs and fishes are also widely used. It is estimated that more than 25 vertebrate animals are used annually for testing, research testing and education in United States. Protocol in animal testing are often very painful to the test subject. They are force fed, deprived of food and water, restrained physically for prolonged period, inflicted with burn and wounds, and even kill through neck breaking. The main con of animal research are is they may lead they may mislead researchers. For this, let me give you an example of coronavirus, from which whole world are suffering. It's been on the all news channel that China did some research on bats, and this virus got spread from bats to human beings. Medical researchers who have PhD, DVM, and MD degree oversee animal research studies. These scientists are studies animal. Why? Because they are lot like our people when it comes to the basic body functions like breathing, eating, hearing, seeing. Top animal testing country are United States, United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, Japan, China, etc. Over 4 million animal procedures are currently carried out each year for United Kingdom biomedical researchers. The issue of the issue of animal experiment is straightforward if we accept that animals have right. If an experiments violate the right of animals, if an experiment violates the right of the animal, then it is morally wrong, because it is wrong to violate rights. As of one philosopher has written, if this means that there are something that humanity will never be able to learn, so be it. Lastly, I would like to conclude that animal testing are totally eliminating, because it violates of animal rights and it causes pain and suffering to the experimental animals. And other mean of that is testing product toxicity are also available. Human cannot justify making life better for themselves by randomly torturing and executing thousands of animals per year to laboratory testing. Animals are treated with respect and dignity. This right, this right to decent treatment is not upheld when animals are exploited for selfish human gain. After all, humans are animal too. धन्यवाद.